Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control. So if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. High traffic on the channel you're using can slow down your Wi-Fi speed. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.
Are you pregnant? Yeah. You're pregnant?
It's finally happening. You're becoming a parent. You're preparing for the adventure of a lifetime, for precious memories and unconditional love. Tiny fingers and toes, countless new toys and tools.
What you got here?
And yes, sleepless nights.
Who's not sleeping?
Nothing can fully prepare you for this journey. But when it comes to your baby's sleep, the Nanit Plus camera is all the help you'll need. Nanit is more than just a baby monitor. It's the only system that tracks and analyzes your baby's sleep schedule and patterns, delivering daily highlight reels and personalized insights. With Nanit Breathing Wear, you can see your baby's breathing motion in real time without any electronics or sensors touching them. There's even an automated memory book to capture the most memorable moments of your baby's life in a digital baby album right inside your Nanit app. Nanit is your baby's personal sleep coach, tracker, and time capsule. Help your baby get the sleep they need for a happy and healthy life.
Good.
So you can get the sleep you need to be a happy and healthy parent.
Hi.
It's peaceful sleep for your baby and peace of mind for you. The adventure of a lifetime is just beginning. And you're all going to need your rest.
Osmo. Summer breaks are just filled with fun activities, sports, things of that nature. Osmo allows them to keep that part of their brain still working. When they learn by doing, they take that immediately back into school. Because they use their hands to play, the lessons really stick. I love it. I love having options for my kids to learn at home.